Hello everyone, welcome to Ignatius Sable. In this video, we are going to unbox the Brother laser printer DCP L2520D. So let's unbox it. So I will first cut the tape and open the box. So let's go through it. Brother at your side. It's a next level printer for me. So this contains first the CD, user manual. User manual has all the procedures to first boot up and all related. You can read it, go through it by pausing your video, no problem at all. Then the CD and the USB drivers and the warranty card. Then the USB cable, USB A to USB B type cable, which is being used to connect the printer with your PC, laptop and etc. The thermocol packaging, with quite nice packaging that Brother has provided. I like the packaging. This is the toner cartridge for the Brother printer. It's quietly hard to remove it, but I will remove it, no problem. Yeah, this is removed. Yeah, this is the toner for the printer. We will cut it lather. So finally we will remove the printer itself, the main content from the box. So this is covered with a plastic wrap to protect it from water and the other dusty materials. Quite nice packaging that Brother has provided to us. I like the packaging. Actually I brought it from the Amazon. With the pricing is near about 13,500 is the pricing, current pricing on the Amazon, but I brought it on 12,500. I got a 1,000 rupees discount on SBI card, which is the nice deal for me. In this price segment there are all printers, but this printer is quite decent and quite improved with the features. I will show you in this video later on the features also. Please comment below whatever you want, the another videos related to this printer. I will provide it, no problem at all. Just comment it. So this is the printer front view. You can see that all the ID copy and both side printing and enable on this printer. This is the one which can provide the both side printer on this affordable cost in this price segment. None of the printer are providing the both side printing, automatic both side printing. We need to provide that manually in other printers, but this is a quite nice printer. So see this printer. The scanner and all this is a multifunction printer. All itself scan, copy and print. One thing I noticed that the printer is not removable power supply cable, which is already connected, inbuilt connected.